Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your location on Upwork. Whether you're using the web version or the app itself, well, the steps are similar. Just go ahead and log in or open up your Upwork Talent app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and click or tap on your profile or the profile icon right here at the top right. Click on it. Now, in here, in these options, just go ahead and select Account Settings. Click on it and wait for the website to load. Once it loads, you're going to want to make sure that you are in the Contact Info tab. All right, click on it and you will be landed to the same exact page. And what we're going to do in here is just scroll all the way down until we find the section Location. And in here, besides that, as you can see, you'll be able to find an edit button. Just go ahead and click on it. And in here, you're going to want to find a time zone, as this is crucial. All right, click on the drop down. And in here, let's say, for example, you've moved to Hawaii right here. All right, for example, the country right here, United States, just for example. And here you can go ahead and use the search bar to automatically find the specific address. For example, Honolulu, Hawaii, right here, specific location, for example, Honolulu Drive, Pasco. Click on it. What it says here, unable to recognize your street number. So just go ahead and click on these options right here, address to, type it down right here, the address number, the street number or whatever, street number right here, and the city. All right, then state and province. Right here, you will have the option to click on the drop down and to select whatever province right here. All right, say for example, this one, AA. Zip postal code right here, which is the number. And then if you want to verify your phone number right here, just go ahead and do so. All right, and as you can see here, the country code is set to +1 as we have changed our time zone to Hawaii and the country of United States. All right, once you're done with everything, just hit on the update button and it will require you to input your password. All right, just go ahead and do so. And once done, you have just changed your location on Upwork. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.